guys, today I want to talk to you about oil change. Many people spend over $200 for an oil change for BMW, and I want to show you how you can make it cheaper, okay? Exhaust fluid. Exhaust fluid, they charge you a lot of money for that, and it's very easy to change by yourself. I will not do this today since I have it full. I did recently, but I'll show you where to put it in. You have two spaces, one here, okay, it's right here. It's just unscrew by hand, or you can use tool, but usually I do it by hand. Another one, it's right here. You just have to remove this piece, and it's very easy. All right, so this is a box I got in the mail a few days ago. It takes only a few days to get it, and let's see what is inside. Okay, it's very good packaging. I got BMW filter. Usually it's cost like over 20 bucks, $25 to $30 in a local dealership. You have to go and get it, or go to your oil change. They don't usually use the BMW. If they use, it will cost you a lot. Only pay 16 bucks, and it's BMW Group certified. You can see it. Then my car takes about 7 liter. So I got original. Actually, it's called Genuine BMW oil. Make sure you order diesel. If you have a diesel car, you must order diesel. So make sure you got diesel, and if you want a good oil, it has to be a long life, 0.4. It should says here. There's many cheaper oils, but you have to change it very often, and it might not be as good. Okay. So let's see what else. There should be 8 bottles. And I only paid for this under 100 bucks. All this for under $100. So I'm gonna do, I'll take this box to local oil change and have them to change it. I will not go do it by myself, okay? I'll just pay $20 to $30 to do it. So it'll cost me about $130 versus to BMW dealership about $200 and up. Any local store, like shop, will do probably about the same price, or they will use some aftermarket oil. I don't say it's worse, but it's not going to be as good as this one. And you have to use on BMW, you have to use a product from BMW. It's better, okay? Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button below, hit the like, and I'll see you later. Any comments below, welcome.